Alright guys, fun day at Riperian Park. If you want to see how I got this way, stick around for the video. It was fun. But before I do that, anybody ever seen this happen before? This is my new Gen 8 chassis. Going forward is fine. Going in reverse, it's doing that stuttering. Someone help me, please. Whoa, this is mud. You can see the wildlife tracks.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is going to be walkable.
Closer we get to the water, the more she gets.
Yep. Oh man. You can make it look like a long movie. Worry about it. Piece of cake. That was too easy. Got to clean my tires.
I can go out.
Brianna, stop. Hold on, I want you to go help me.
Are there very many areas like this out there?
I can swim in that.
You can? I can go out and save it.
Brianna, it's right there.
I can go out and tonight.
TRX4s are pretty good. Nah, this is a good shot for it. Alright, I'm gonna come back. Wrong back. Hose them down. You get cold. Z40 Lou here at Riperian Park in Gilbert, Arizona. And it's more of a trail type park, but it's really nice out. Oh, look at the crane out there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
There's a crane out there. White crane. Beautiful. But yeah, we're out here. This is basically a pond for the water treatment center. And it's starting to dry out, as you can see. So eventually, probably part of the summer, this will be dried out, and then once the monsoons hit, it'll probably fill back up pretty quick. So yeah, I'm out here with my buddy Jay. Say hi, Jay.
Hello.
And we're out here again having some fun and blazing some trails and trying to see what we find out here, places to crawl. All right, thanks guys. I don't want to go get you. Guys, didn't mean to chase you away. Honest, I forgot you were there. And shout out to Jay Tucker. You can check out his channel. Thanks for joining me. So there was a special piece of property we were looking for there. This is 101 acres. It's called Riparian Park in Gilbert, Arizona. We never did find it. We were looking for a waterfall type area that has a lot of rocks, and supposedly you can drive your cars through it. But didn't have any luck there, but we still had a great time. Thanks for tuning in.